Okay, so let's start the work. So first and foremost, we will work using blue color, which will be our primary color. Okay, so and always have some tissue paper along with you. Okay, tissue paper is must. Tissue paper हमेशा तैयार रखो. Fine, and just see what I am doing, and then later on you can do. I will give you time to do. Okay, let me know if anybody is joining in, or I am because I am seeing the reference image right now. So if anybody wants to get in, then please do let me know. So what I am doing, I am applying water to the surface. Am I audible first of all? Am I audible? Oh, okay. Recording. No, not yet. I forgot it. Wait. Yeah, recording has started now. So good that you told me. I was a little fast in starting the process. So what I am doing right now is I am wetting the surface, wetting the paper. I have not wet this boat. Okay, I have not wet this boat area, but I have now applied I have now applied water to the entire paper. Just I have left the boat area. Okay, one thing you have to notice is that the water has a little warmth in it. Okay, if you see the kind of color the water is reflecting, it is having a little bit of yellowness over here. Okay, so yellowness, and then it also has blue tinge to it, but it does have a shine, a golden shine. Can you see that? Can you open the image and see? Can you see that? Oh, water mein whatever white that you are seeing is not pure white. That has a goldenish tinge. Okay, just a little. So that and you should have already seen that in any painting, having a little warmth or having a little yellowness always adds to the value, right? Yesterday this is yellow ochre. So I am putting the yellow ochre on the boat also, because finally the boat is also having a yellow tone. I did not put water on the boat because of a different reason, but that did not happen. So I am putting the color like that, and so basically you can wet the entire paper, but I have left a little bit of basically thoda sa highlight chhod diya hai at certain places. I don't want it to, or you can wet the entire surface, and then you can take out the color by color lift kar sakte ho. Okay, how to do color lift? Damp your brush and then take out color like that. Okay, ठीक है. ये थोड़ा सा सूखेगा, मतलब थोड़ा सा मॉइस्ट होगा. अभी बहुत ज्यादा वेट है, तो it has to get a little moist. So while it's getting a little moist, let me tell you what needs to be done. I have to get my hair dryer. थोड़ा इसको गर्म करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so hello, hello. Yeah, actually there is a network glitch. Wait, let me connect back. Can you guys see the screen? Yeah. So let me connect back. या अभी भी वेट है. सो इसको हल्का कहीं कहीं डाला हूं, कहीं कहीं डाला एट सम प्लेसेस. सो अभी वो पूरे में स्प्रेड होगा, लेकिन उसको टोटल में करने से वो मोनोटोनस हो जाएगा. अभी जैसे कहीं कहीं पे आपको दिख रहा है, वहां पे कहीं कहीं पे है, कहीं कहीं पे नहीं है. सो सेम थिंग. सो व्हाट आई एम राइट नाउ डूइंग is just a minute. Let me first go back to the meeting and start recording. Recording बंद हो गया actually because of network. So here I am mixing ultramarine blue with yellow ochre for this kind of a tone. Okay, and I am also I am mixing two colors. One is a little yellowish color and another is a little bluish color. That's me. That's my machine. Okay. Now, okay, yes, okay. Now, let me, where did it go, yaar? Let me start the recording. Okay, so I have mixed two types of blue. One is a little yellowish blue here and another is a little more concentrated blue there. Okay, now I will go to the reference. I have let Divya in, right? Okay, fine, then let's start the painting. Let me open this. So basically what you see here is, so what I am doing, I am taking the color, dabbing it, and then I am creating patterns like that. Okay, so we have to dab more for the farther areas. So basically we have to use very light color for the far off places in water. Fine. And when we are coming a little close, then we have to add in a little bigger puddles like that, like big size waves. Okay, yellow ochre, blue and yellow ochre. And try to make sure that it is not very wet, like I am taking out excessive color. Okay, fine, understood. Don't copy what you see in the water there, you will fall in a trap. Okay, पूरा सेम नहीं कर पाओगे. That's why try to follow what I am telling you. Slowly I am increasing the intensity of the color. Okay, थोड़ा कलर ज्यादा गाढ़ा हो रहा है, देखो. Getting me? Please keep talking to me. Okay. Here there is less this thing, less like almost no ripples. And then when you are very close, then you make the ripples slightly bigger, like the puddles, the size of the what I can say, the water reflection here will be little bigger here. Okay, fine, just do this much and let your this thing dry. One more thing I would say, थोड़ा आपका ब्रश को थोड़ा डैम्प कर लो. डैम्प करके कहीं कहीं पे इफ पॉसिबल जस्ट लिफ्ट दिस कलर, जस्ट ये इसके ऊपर से थोड़ा लिफ्ट करो, ऐसा. यू आर गेटिंग मी? थोड़ा लिफ्ट करना है कहीं कहीं पे, नॉट एट ऑल प्लेसेस. सो दिस विल गिव अ फीलिंग ऑफ द नाइस ट्रांसपेरेंसी दैट इट हैज. ठीक है, पहले क्या करना है, पहले स्टार्ट करना है वहां पे ऐसे रैंडमली यू हैव टू पुट इन दी पैचेस. स्लोली यू हैव टू इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ द साइज ऑफ द पैटर्न एंड ऑल्सो द इंटेंसिटी. सो यहाँ पे पतले पतले रहेंगे, यहाँ पे मोटा मोटा भी रहेगा और डार्क डार्क भी रहेगा. वो हो जाने के बाद एट सर्टन प्लेसेस जस्ट ऐसे कलर को थोड़ा सा मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, लिफ्ट कर रहा हूं. दिख रहा है? मैं इसमें एक टिश्यू पेपर में या एक कपड़े में ब्रश को पूरा पोंछ के, ठीक है, या सो आई एम राइट नाउ पुटिंग इट हियर on this part. Right now it looks a little darker, but when it dries it will be okay. Fine. Now a little more darkness will come here because of the shadow, and little darkness will come here. Darkness will come here. अंडरस्टूड? ये बोट का नीचे का हिस्सा हमने बनाया, ठीक है. देन आई विल गिव इट अ ड्राई. सूखते ही when it gets dried, right, the color becomes very light. Now here I have some yellow ochre and some burnt sienna mixed together. Okay, yellow ochre and burnt sienna mixed together. ठीक है? So let's do one thing. Let's cover this portion now, which is the inside of the boat. And as I told you, let's keep it very simple. Let's take out all the clutter which is like staircase or drawers, etc, etc. Lot of things are there. So just play with the tones. Okay, दिस इज द ट्रिकी पार्ट, ये बोट के अंदर का बनाना. नाउ इफ यू सी हियर, just squint your eyes and see, wherever you see dark you put the dark, wherever you see light just leave it. ठीक है? Okay. See, I am using the perspective lines here. I am using the perspective lines for depicting the shape of the boat. ठीक है? ये पर्सपेक्टिव लाइन से क्या होता है, उसको एक डेफिनेशन मिल जाता है. सो इट गाइड्स द आई इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे. फाइन. एंड देन ब्लू एंड बर्न सियाना लेके जगह जगह पे मुझे थोड़ा इसको डार्कनेस ऐसे देना है. ठीक है? वर्टिकली. फाइन. एंड देन सेम टू कलर्स, बर्न सियाना. What happened? Burnt sienna and this thing, burnt sienna and yellow ochre together हमने mix कर दिया. Then we will use it here, इसके नीचे. Is it visible? Is it visible properly? सही से दिख रहा है? ओके, ठीक है. थोड़ा लंबा खिंच जाता है क्लासेस बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्निकल इश्यूज, कभी किसी का एंड देन सबके लिए थोड़ा वेट करके कभी कभी लेट हो जाता है. तो कभी, सो डोंट माइंड इफ द क्लासेस टेक अ लिटिल लॉन्गर. I am not giving up. It's sometimes what happens is the technology is giving us a hard time. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ब्लू ऐड करके जगह पे डार्कनेस, जैसा मैं बोल रहा था ना, ऐसा स्ट्रेट लाइंस ऐसे डाल देने से it looks very nice. There are people who are getting logged off automatically. Fine. So ये हो गया. अभी ये सेंटर में, ये बोट के सेंटर में जो इसका जो फ्रेम है, that also needs to be defined a bit. इतना करके ये जो इन्फ्लेटेबल्स है उसको भी थोड़ा सा डेफिनेशन देंगे. नीचे में थोड़ा सा शैडो डालेंगे. ओके. देयर इज an inflatable here, completely blue. There is an inflatable here. There is an inflatable here also, like that. So let this thing dry up. Let this thing dry up. आप इतना बना सकते हो? Can you guys make this much? Yeah, please do that. Are you guys attempting it? What about others? Is it difficult to do? अगर आपको कुछ भी उसमें रेक्टिफाई करना है तो आप कर सकते हो यूजिंग लिफ्टिंग. सो लिफ्ट करके अगर इन केस आपका जैसे मेरा यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक जगह पे गड़बड़ हुआ है, तो थोड़ा सा मैं उसको रेक्टिफाई कर रहा हूँ। The only thing is taking care of the recording and everything becomes a bit cumbersome sometimes, because we are racing against time in watercolor, right? If something is wet and we don't want the wetness to go and we have a time bomb ticking, उसमें फिर अगर रिकॉर्डिंग बंद हो जाता है उसको देखो तो वो थोड़ा सा डाइसी हो जाता है. सो therefore this kind of issues and errors keep happening. Okay, so can you see? Is it visible properly? Hello. ठीक है. And then you add on some dab some water like that and try to make this portion a little darker, the down portion little darker. Let's give it a dry. Sorry, we have mixed basically blue color and yellow ochre color, and at certain places I have taken a little bit gamboge yellow also. थोड़ा सा greenish दिखाना है जहाँ पे, वहाँ पे gamboge yellow. ये वाले जगह पे जहाँ पे थोड़ा darkness ज़्यादा है वो जगह पे थोड़ा सा burnt sienna add हो गया है. So blue and yellow ochre is a primary color. जहाँ पे थोड़ा ग्रीनिश चाहिए वहां पे थोड़ा गैम्बोज येलो यूज किया, जहां पे थोड़ा डार्क चाहिए वहां पे थोड़ा सा बर्न्ट सियाना यूज कर दिया. ठीक है. डन. अभी थोड़ा सा कलर, ये जो डार्क कलर मैंने बनाया था उसमें थोड़ा पानी ऐड करके एट सर्टन प्लेसेस ओके, जस्ट टू गिव सम डेफिनेशन. Fine. Can you now see that it resembles water? Yes or no? If no, then also tell me. देखो क्या 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 नहीं नहीं नहीं, वैसा नहीं, कीचड़ क्यों बनेगा। आप थोड़ा सा देखो, अभी मैं ये पीछे पीछे में भी थोड़ा ऐड कर रहा हूं, थोड़ा थोड़ा रिपल्स में, थोड़ा एक एक जगह पे। ठीक है। सो नाउ इफ यू सी हाउ इट लुक्स, ये जगह पे थोड़ा लाइट रहेगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लाइट रहेगा, बाकी इट ब्लेंड्स ओवर देयर। ठीक है। समझ में आया? करेंगे करेंगे कि करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है ऑलरेडी? कर दिया ऑलरेडी? ओके गुड। सो ये अपना रिफ्लेक्शन का पार्ट हो गया। अभी क्या करना है, अभी ये जो स्टिक है, मतलब जो एक स्टिक निकला हुआ है ना, ये इसको बेसिकली थोड़ा सा इसमें डेफिनेशन देना है। सॉरी मेरा हाथ इधर लग गया, इट्स नॉट येट ड्राई। Okay, then what I am doing is I'll be using some yellow ochre color for the rope like that, and then there is rope here and there. Now comes the white color, which will add some sort of definition and highlights. So white color थोड़ा सा ज़रूरी होता है लास्ट में, जिससे कि थोड़ा सा एक अलग चार्म मिल जाता है पेंटिंग को। I showed you another technique yesterday of scraping the color. You can use that technique also if you like to. So I am using a little white inside the reflection also, see, just to add some nice shine here अंदर में. फाइन फाइन, इतना कर लेंगे. Yeah, I will share. So basically what will happen is कहाँ गया वो स्प्रे बॉटल किधर है? Not getting the spray. I don't know where my spray bottle is. बेसिकली जैसे ये लाइंस है ना, ये लाइंस इधर भी थोड़े आने हैं, अदरवाइज इट इज अपियरिंग लाइक अ स्काई विच वी डोंट वांट इट टू लुक लाइक. ठीक है. सो बहुत ही माइल्ड कलर्स यूज करके, बहुत ही माइल्ड ग्रे कलर लाइक ब्लू एंड बर्न्ड सिएना को बहुत लाइट घोल के यू कैन. Yes. Who? Rohini? No, it has not come up. No, she is not in waiting list. No, ask her to join again. Ask her to join again. Yeah. Yeah, now they are allowed. Where is my spray bottle? Yes, blue and burnt sienna. Yeah, here is the spray bottle. Now can you see how I have improved the look and feel? First it was a little different. Now it is changed a little. Did you see the reflection? Yes, right? Huh? Reflection also not seen. Oh God. It did not appear because I accepted all of them, right? So the yeah, so let me tell you. So first and foremost, let me try this, then I'll tell you. Yes.